Most developers are burning money on the wrong hardware. They chase high clock speeds but ignore the cooling. Your code is compiling 10 times slower than necessary. I have tested the 5 best non-Apple machines today. One of these will change your daily coding life. Stay until the end for a hidden spec to check. Your laptop is the most important tool you own. Cheap screens give you headaches after 5 hours. Poor cooling causes your IDE to stutter under load. A bad keyboard is a fast track to RSI. You spend thousands of hours staring at this screen. Don't sacrifice your performance for a lower price tag. If you want more honest gear reviews for developers, hit the subscribe button right now. I will stop you from making a costly mistake. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. This machine is tiny, but it hits like a truck. The vapor chamber cooling is elite for this size. You can run heavy compilations without thermal throttling kicks. The OLED screen is the best I have ever seen. The pixel density makes text look like printed paper. Now, one thing that really matters, the port selection is tight for an office setup. You will need a solid USB-C dock for peripherals. This is for the developer who needs maximum portability. It is a powerhouse that fits in any backpack. Number 2, Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2. This is the most underrated laptop for pure coding. The typing experience is the best in the industry. You feel a tactile click on every single key. The battery life easily gets you through a workday. It is lightweight and feels almost invisible in transit. One thing to note, the screen size is compact. If you do heavy UI design, use a monitor. For terminal-heavy work, the screen resolution is perfect. This is for the developer who lives in Linux. It is a machine that finally puts typing first. Number 3, Razer Blade 16. This machine is the king of raw aesthetic design. The aluminum unibody feels like a piece of art. The performance here is overkill for most web development. It handles local AI model training with no issues. The screen brightness is perfect for working in offices. But here's a warning for you. The fans get loud when you push the CPU. If you work in a quiet office, use headphones. This is for the developer who needs pure performance. It's expensive, but the build quality justifies it. Number 4, HP ZBook Firefly G11. This is the ultimate sleeper machine for office work. It is incredibly stable and runs very coolly. The fan noise is almost non-existent during heavy builds. You get a professional machine with a sleek finish. The security features are baked into the BIOS level. One caveat, the speakers are not great for media. Use your favorite headset for all your Zoom calls. This is for the developer who values long-term stability. It is a professional tool that just works forever. Number 5, Dell XPS 16. This is the flagship of modern Windows design. The 16-inch screen gives you massive workspace for code. The processor handles multi-threaded tasks with absolute ease. It is a machine that feels like a desktop. The trackpad is seamless and integrated into the glass. However, the touch row above the keyboard is unique. You will need a few days to adjust to it. It's a small learning curve for a great machine. This is for the developer who needs maximum screen estate. It is the best desktop replacement you can carry. If you prioritize portability and screen, get the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. It packs the best display into the smallest frame. If you want the best typing experience, get the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2. It is the gold standard for long-form coding. If you need raw performance for AI, get the Razer Blade 16. It dominates when you need maximum raw power. If you want a quiet, stable work machine, get the HP ZBook Firefly G11. It is the most reliable workhorse on this list. If you need massive screen space, get the Dell XPS 16. It is the best desktop replacement for your workflow. If you're torn between these 5 machines, drop a comment below. Tell me your workflow and I will help you. Most people ignore the SSD read-write speeds. Check for NVMe Gen 4 speeds specifically. When you're compiling huge code bases, disk speed matters. A slow drive bottlenecks your CPU and your RAM. Always look for at least 5,000 megabytes throughput. It makes your entire system feel lightning fast. You now have 5 perfect options for your needs. Don't settle for hardware that holds your code back. Check the links in the description for these models. If this saved you from a bad purchase, hit the like button now. It helps other developers find this before buying. In the next video, I show my desk setup. See you in the next one.